Hello everyone! In this video we'll be looking at the word gerade. In spoken German this is often shortened to gerade or grad, but the shortest one cannot be used for adjectives. Gerade has a couple of meanings. Firstly, as an adjective it means straight, so without any curves or corners and not crooked. For example, eine gerade Linie, a straight line. Hängt das Bild gerade? Does the picture hang straight? When talking about numbers, it can also mean even, like eine gerade Zahl is an even number. These are some derived words from the adjective. Die Gerade, the line, the straight line. Geradlinig or gradlinig, linear. Geradeaus, straight ahead. Geradezu, almost, downright. Don't confuse it with those words though. Der Grad, the degree. Geraten, to get into. But the word gerade can also be a temporal adverb. The most important meaning of this is the continuous form. There are no continuous tenses in German, like is doing, are being made, have been working, and so on. Instead, Germans just use the present tense. And if you want to emphasize the continuous aspect, you should use the word gerade, which means now, at the moment. For example, ich esse gerade, I'm eating. Entschuldige, ich arbeite gerade. Excuse me, I'm working. Now, if you use gerade in combination with any past tense, then the meaning changes to just, like a moment ago. For example, ich war gerade auf Klo. I've just been to the toilet. Ich habe gerade etwas gegessen. I've just eaten something. There are also a couple of minor meanings. It can also be used as just when you want to express the meaning only or barely. Like, ich habe es gerade noch in den Zug geschafft. I've barely made it into the train. Or, ich habe gerade mal 5 Euro dabei. I only have 5 euros with me. As a modal particle, it can mean exactly, in a sense of this is exactly what I mean or said earlier. Like, das ist ja gerade das Problem. That is exactly the problem. Or it can mean of all things, of all people, especially, when something is really unfit for the task. For example, gerade er soll uns jetzt helfen. Out of all people, he is supposed to help us now. Man sollte gerade Metall nicht verwenden. Especially metal shouldn't be used. It is then put before the word that is unfit for the task. So let's look at what we've learned. Gerade means straight, even, now, at the moment, for the continuous. Just, a moment ago, with the past. Just, only, barely. Exactly what I mean. Especially, out of all things, out of all people. Gerade is often shortened to grade or grad, but the adjectives cannot be grad. Tschüss!